Hello, my name is Moses Timbwa, and I'm building Keel. So Keel helps people who run fiber nodes take care of their payment channels. Here's the problem. So when payments flow through a channel, the money slowly piles up on one side, and when one side runs empty, the channel stops working in that direction, and you lose money without knowing. So the fiber team lists this problem as an open to do on their GitHub, and on Lightning there are many tools for this. So on Fiber we have none of them, and Kill is probably the first. What you see here is my real fiber node running on testnet. Uh, these numbers these numbers you see, they are live. They update every 30 seconds. Yeah. So these are my two channels, this and this. Uh, the tool the tool watches how full each one is and which way it is moving. Yeah. On one of my channels, the level on one of my channels, the level one set is in my policy. So the tool is made on a plan. So move uh, yeah, yeah. So move, let's say 0. This is around 0.789 or zero point 0.8 if you round off. 0.8 CKB from the full channel to the low one. Uh, just enough to fix both, not more. And this fee here is not a guess, and this fee, yeah. So I don't know. It's around 0.00. I don't know. It's been rounded off. So yeah. So the tool asks the node itself, what will this exact payment cost? The node answered, and nothing has moved yet. It always asks the price first. So by default, the tool never moves money on its own. It waits for me to click, and the fee I approve is a hard limit. The node itself will refuse to pay more, even if my code and had a bug. It cannot overspend. Yeah. So one more thing also, if the payment fails, it costs nothing. So money only leaves when the payment fully works. That is why this is safe to now automate. Yeah, yeah. So I'll go ahead and click. Yeah, so click that, and it shows. When you look at here, it shows the priced. Yeah, so it's confirming. Yeah, so it is confirming on chain, so you'll have to wait for it to complete. Yeah. So yeah, let's just give it some minutes. Um, yeah, so as you can see, it has been settled, and that's the transaction hash for that. Yeah. So that is done, and that was a real payment on testnet. There is the payment hash. So this is the payment hash, and the fee is exactly what was quoted. It also goes into a daily budget. Even in the worst case, this tool can never spend more than the budget. So mine is 10 CKB, around 10 CKB a day. Yeah. If the all rejected draw is visible, yeah, sorry about that. So as you can see, these ones that are been rejected, you can also see the tools that are protecting me here. So for these ones, they sat too long without me clicking the spend, and the price kind of got old. So it refused to send and made a refresh plan instead. So it never spends on old numbers. No. So here it's no, autopilot. Uh, it is uh, it is off by default. If I turn it on, the tool does the same steps without waiting for my click. But with the same limits and the same budget, uh, right? And it writes down the exact settings that allowed each action. So later I can always answer why did it move my money. Yeah. So you can just put it on, then it can perform those steps without me like having to be there to click approve or reject. Yeah, to click approve, I mean. Yeah. So everything you just saw is the real code. It is tested against the hard cases, crashed payments, stuck payments, and bad networks. And one rule is proven by tests. No setting can make these tools spend fees without making the channels healthier. So even kill, yeah. So that's what even kill is all about. Yeah. Thank you.